Dito tayo ngayon guys sa La Punta. Dito yan sa Callao, Peru. Magwo-walking tayo dito at maghanap tayo ng makakain dito kasama si Pangging Alex. Maganda daw yung dagat nila dito, pero doon sa dulo, dito yung mga nagde-deliver ng cargo ship. Daming tao na dito ngayon. Oh. Puro mga restaurant yung nandito sa gilid. Alon yung dagat nila dito guys. Oh, yan yung sign nila dito, La Punta. At syempre, hindi rin tayo magpapahuli guys. Magpapapicture din tayo dyan sa may sign na yan. O diba, may photo bomber pa si Kuya. O, pak! O diba? Lalaki ng mga bato dito guys. Mabato yung dagat nila dito. Pero ang daming mga tao dyan oh. Kaya malilit na mga bangka nila. You're gonna walk through the rocks. Diyos ko, tinan mo yung mga bato ang lalaki guys. Buti na lang nakachinelas tayo. Oh my God. Right? Can you imagine laying down on this rocks? Grabe ang lalaki. Oh, look at that. It looks deep right here. There's some chairs and I think you have to rent for the chairs and pay for it. I think so. Unless you bring maybe your own chair. Pero kailangan mo yata rentahan kasi pangga doon tayo pangga, nahiya siya. We have a lifeguard right here in case people go swimming right here guys.
During money they have his name.
Oh, okay.
That's right there.
Kakain kami dito ni Pangga sa Don Giuseppe. Masarap daw yung pagkain nila dito. Late lang yung restaurant na to. Pero ang daming tao. Daming nakalinya. We got served by cancha first and then our piña drink. Fresh pineapple, no? Pangga got a fish. Wow, it has avocado in it too. Ano yung breakfast natin guys? Marlin fish yung kay Pangga, yung sa akin naman seafood fried rice. Walking around right here in Callao. There's a small park right there whereby Avenue Colonel, how do you pronounce it, Han? Bolognesi? Bolognesi. Dito yung dagat. May nagtitinda dito ng prutas, so bibili tayo ng prutas. Let's go. You want watermelon too? You want? Oh no, you're allergic to watermelon, huh?
Yeah.
Grapes? And
Con pepper, ¿no?
what does that mean?
Seeds.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Un poquito lo más queríamos.
This is their mango right here, huh? See? Oh, the mango smells good, huh? That's right. Yeah. It's their Navy school right here. We're walking towards the pier. Look at all these cannons right here. We're walking towards the pier. Oh, right here. And this is the pier right here. You can walk around right here. Just hang out. Look at that guy with the dog, huh? Kids are playing. And the cargo ship is over that side. That's where they deliver all the shipment, huh? For the cargo ship. Exploring around her guys. Malinis yung area nila in fairness. Yan yung parang mga barko nila dito. Maliliit na bangka kung sa atin tawagin. Grabe, ang lalaki talaga ng mga bato dito. Tapos ang lakas ng alon ng tubig. Yan yung mga boats dyan oh. Like I said, doon yung mga cargo ship. Dito sila nagde-deliver ng mga supplies. Dumating na din si Ali. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli mag-post yan. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.